Hello, welcome back Creative Rooms, and I'm Aditya or better known as I am Aditya or better known as the Accessible of the Internet. I am the founder and creative director of XAXs Corps, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to reorganize your Behance portfolio to make it more attractive to recruiters and clients. So let's begin. Okay, so this is my Behance portfolio, and before we proceed, let me introduce you to the three basic necessities that you need to keep track while reorganizing or arranging your Behance portfolio to project in it. One is clarity. It should be clear with a single glance what you are doing and what you're offering and what you should be hired for. And the second is hierarchy. Someone who's coming to your portfolio should see the most important projects first compared to the less important ones, so that you have a higher chance of getting hired. And third, that is relevance. We often get impatient to put everything there, and usually we have worked a lot behind our projects or projects we have live. So it's a natural tendency to have everything, but that's not effective. We should rather remove some previous projects that is not relevant anymore, or something that you did as an experiment and is not relevant to what you're doing now anymore. You don't exactly have to delete them, but you can remove them from the public view, and let me show you how to do that. Now, step 1, we will be removing projects that is not necessary anymore. So these are the recent ones. I am a brand designer, and branding is the core competency, the core capability of XAXs Corps. So I want my portfolio to represent that. Let's scroll and find the ones that are not relevant anymore. These are relatively pretty old and doesn't really represent what I'm doing now anymore. And I'm not exactly doing all the UIs is something I do. That's not what I want to get hired for as a core service. So it's new, and you should click on the, hover on the setting option, the gear icon. Then you find a scroll down that has the option of editing, cloning, printing, and publishing or deleting. We want to remove it from the public profile, but we don't want to delete it, so let's just click on unpublish. That way it won't be public, but it will be saved as a draft. I'll show you where later. These two. And this was just an experiment of photography. I don't do photography as a service, I do it just a hobby, so it's not relevant. Okay, now we have removed the relevant ones. Now let's reorganize. But before that, let me show you where it is. Once you have removed, you will find an option called drops under your profile, and if you go to the drops, you will find everything that is unpublished or published, or just something you worked on but didn't publish it. And yep, I have been in for 5 years, so there's quite a few stuff I worked on, but this one really. And from there you can also click on to edit a project and then publish it. So you have the option of bringing it back. Coming back to work, which is the public profile. Now let us reorganize it. Initially, by default, everything on Behance is organized reverse chronologically. The last year published is visible on the first. But sometimes the chronological view is not the ideal view, because you might have pages that are more important but done at a much earlier period. So now Behance gives you the option of reorganizing your profile other than the reverse chronological order. Very simply, you have to drag the project, like long press it and drag it to reposition it. Now let's find something that I want to be first. This is an important project. This was featured by World Brand Design Society designers and got a quite a view of accolades, and this represents what I do better than this one, which is an internal project. So let's bring it first. Click, drag, and reposition. It's as simple as that. Now this is my latest portfolio. This is the portfolio that we will see. So let's keep it on top because this gives a glimpse and it's like the resume. People might be willing to check this out, although it's not a branding project per se. Let's put it second. Now this kind of this first four is the most important also because this is the one that someone gets into and sees in the project. Like, this is the first crop. This is not even the first crop. Now let us find something that is this person is more important than this person. And logo folio is something that is a quick glance to your works, so that is a good thing to have on the source list, and this is also a good way to attract new audience to your process if you are a brand designer. Now we have the first four most important projects set. Let's push back stuff that are not important. This is something I did with another friend of mine. It's important for him but not for me, but I did participate in it, so I don't want to remove it completely. And I don't have the option of unpublishing per se. If I unpublish it, it will unpublish on his place as well, since I have the option from multiple owners. I don't want to do that without full permission, but I can simply push it back because it's not relevant to me. That's pretty much how you do it. Let's just first forward to a few more edits and see where we can go. Okay, I guess that does it. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you found it useful and fun. Do subscribe to the channel for more such videos and stay updated. And if you like what you see, the best way to support us is by getting some product from our website. Some of them are free and will help you out in projects. Just in the description. And hope to see you again in the next one. Till then, keep creating and stay above the curve. Bye bye.